Alright, in this little video clip we're going to talk really quick about a tool or a feature that you really need to know how to use. It's called grouping. And what grouping is it kind of takes, when you put a bunch of items together, objects as they're called in flip charts together, you group them or you lock them together to make it one group. And then you can move it around. Right here I just have a green background, a picture of a tree, and the word tree. If I wanted to move all these objects and get them all moved, that's great. I could move them there and move them there, maybe throw that in. But all of a sudden maybe I want it to be over here or something about it. Well, to do that, then I got to move it all one at a time. Well, there's a feature which is called grouping, which makes it really easy for you to group these things together. Then you can resize them together, and it just, when you start to design things, you really need to know how to group things. And it's really simple. So I got my three objects. I'm going to put them just the way I want them, so they're all together. And once I've done that, however I want my format, I'm going to put my highlighter all the way around that. Let me show you that again. All I do is outside of the object, I'm just going to left click and drag across it, and then it adds everything. And then inside there, you're going to see this little icon right here. That's the grouping icon. What that icon does is it's just essentially saying I've got objects inside, and see my little perimeter I just highlighted? It's going to put them all together. So now it's highlighted. So when I go out of here, they're all grouped together. Maybe I want to resize this thing. Notice how it resizes it. Text is its own little feature. It's kind of a hard little guy, but text doesn't resize when you're sliding in and out, zooming in and out of objects. So if you're going to resize text, you pretty much got to break it apart and take it apart and do that. So that brings us to our next thing with grouping. Maybe you come to an object somewhere and they're all as one, and you need to take a part out or delete a part or something, and you click on it. If you notice that it's grouped, all you got to do is take the highlight off, and now they're free to take apart. So that's just grouping really quick. A really important feature in that you will need to know how to use in the future when you start making more things. So grouping, just keep that one in mind.